Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Loyalty Squad. This is the Velox coming back to you in the kitchen. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you tonight's dinner, and this is something that you can whip up. It's so easy and it's healthy. Okay, so let me show you, or let's start this video right now. Okay, you guys, tonight's recipe is going to be something really easy and simple, and it's something that you could just whip up in the oven. 1, 2, 3. Okay, of course you're going to need a 15-ounce can of salmon, and you're also going to remove the bones. So if you have those little hard bones inside of it, you're going to take those out. Although they are very soft, some people just leave them in there because you can actually eat them. That's how soft they are. And with me, I like to remove that little skin. I don't like that at all. Now with this recipe, you can also make this with with crabs as well. So if you have some crab that's already deshelled, this recipe will also go wonderful for that as well. Okay, so first we're going to start off with some drained salmon, and just going to mash it up inside your bowl, and just remove those little pieces that are in the spine area. I don't like those. You can remove those, they're not needed. Now the serving that we're going to be making could be for 2 people. Okay, so I'm going to set this on the side. Next I'm going to take 1/2 of a larger pepper, and I'm just going to dice that up really fine. After you mince up 1/2 of your bell peppers, we're going to put that in there. Okay, you guys, so here is my dinner for tonight. I have two salmon cakes. I have some steamed veggies on the side, some steamed broccoli and carrots, topped with a little Parmesan cheese, and that's it. I may have a little dipping sauce, maybe a little tartar sauce on the side, but that's about it. That's my dinner for tonight, okay? So this is easy to whip up. Pop it in the oven. It's less fat, it's not fried, and it's delicious. It's very tasty. So try this recipe and see how you like it, okay? So I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, y'all, on your way out. And don't forget to turn your notifications all the way on to all. And you won't miss another one of these wonderful videos for weight loss. Things that you can eat while you are on your weight loss journey that won't make you feel guilty, okay? So you guys, don't forget to also check down below my eBay store as well as my other channel, Velvet Vlogs. And don't forget to also shop in the Amazon affiliate links where you will get wonderful items as well. So you guys, until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Vlogs coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works, okay? This tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.